What up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com, back with another video. And man, has it been a while. It's been a few months, but we are back with a new video today in PetRock Media Assembled. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the latest rumor from Canon about their sub $1,000 full frame camera that should be competing directly with some Canon offerings and one of the lower priced Sony options that's still a little bit over $1,000, not too much, but still over $1,000. So will Canon make a splash in this area and dominate the mirrorless sub $1,000 or near $1,000 full frame camera option? Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content to the channel. So once again, courtesy of our good friends over at CanonRumors.com, again, I will leave the link to the article we are discussing down in the video description below. They are teasing with some good authority that Canon is aiming to release a sub $1,000 full frame camera, specifically targeting a price of about $799. Now, courtesy of the actual article writer themselves, they are on good authority from an incredibly decent, solid source that Canon is aiming to release a full frame RF mount, which is key, camera, full frame, under $800, $799 in 2022. Now, the Canon RP launched at $1299 USD, so this is going to be pretty spicy if they are able to pack a ton of features, or at least, I mean, the fact that we're going to be getting a full frame sub $1,000 camera body from Canon is pretty amazing. Video specs aside, depending on what it shoots, as long as it gives great 1080p, in my opinion, that is going to be a knock out of the park home run, because 1080p video for YouTube and for live streaming is still a major player, and in my opinion, where it should be if you're live streaming. 1080p, 60p, who knows? Even if they offer this camera at $1,000 with great specs, it's still a pretty revolutionary feat considering the RP came out at $1,300 respectively. So you're thinking that $799 is probably going to be body only, which means if they're able to attach some type of kit lens at $1,000, let's say, that is going to incredibly increase Canon's marketplace in the full frame mirrorless bodies, especially if they're able to offer some type of kit aiming at vloggers, whatever. It's seriously going to compete with cameras such as the ZV-1 right now, which came out at $799. Now you can get it for a little decent discount, usually about $699, sometimes $729, $749. And that's a small 1-inch sensor body. If you can get a full frame sensor vlogging style kit for sub $1,000, that's an amazing feat that Canon can potentially bring to the market. Obviously, again, as of the recording of this video, which is July 22nd, 2021, there are no specs on video, on photography, any of that. My guess is right now it's going to be in the 20 to 25 megapixel range for photos. Video, I'm hoping at least 1080p, 60p, and 24p. None of this odd, you can't get 24p unlocked or anything like that. Hopefully they come out with some decent specs unreleased. So like I said, 24p, 30p, 60p in 1080. If they offer any type of higher definition video, maybe 2.5K and whatnot. But I'm really hoping they have this camera with some great features right out of the gate. But with that being said, everybody, let me know down in the comments what specs are you hoping that this camera has. Again, considering the price point, let's not go with 4K, 6K, 8K, all that crazy stuff. Be pretty shocking and amazing if they had that. However, let me know down in the comments with a sub $1,000 full frame body, specifically targeting around $800, $799 according to the rumor. What specs are you looking forward to having? Are you looking more lightweight? Are you looking more on the photography side, on the video side? What is it that you'd be looking for in a sub $1,000 full frame camera? Again, leave those comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you're notified on all the content we post to this channel, and I will catch each and every one of you beautiful human beings in the next video. Peace.